Long-term adherence to the Pesti Smart Pest Plan schedule is essential for building cumulative protection against recurring infestations. Consistently following the plan aligns treatments with pest life cycles, so you interrupt breeding, maturation, and infestation peaks. Start by noting the treatment intervals and matching them to visible pest activity and seasonal pressures, then set reminders and link treatments to household routines like lawn care or gutter cleaning. Use a simple log to record dates, observed pests, and environmental conditions so patterns become clear and adjustments are evidence-based. If you see increased activity between visits, document where and what so the next visit can target hot spots. Maintain a focus on perimeter treatments because the barrier around structures is where most insects and rodents attempt entry. Keep vegetation trimmed back and avoid mulch contact with foundation so the barrier product can work undisturbed. Communicate clearly with your service provider about specific problem areas and past sightings, so treatments are adjusted rather than generic. Ask for clarifications about active ingredients and target pests so you understand expected timelines for results. For homes with pets or children, follow application, hold times, and reentry guidance precisely, and use mechanical controls like traps or exclusion for rodents in tandem with chemical barriers for faster results. Over time, the products in a scheduled plan provide compounding suppression, so patience and precise record keeping are what turn periodic visits into long-term prevention. Homeowners often skip visits when they no longer see pests, but missing scheduled applications lets new generations establish themselves. Keep the schedule and use your log to confirm progress. Some people resist perimeter maintenance, like trimming and sealing, because it seems separate from treatments, yet neglecting those tasks undermines barriers. Pair physical maintenance with the chemical plan. Another common issue is inconsistent communication with the technician, which leads to mismatched expectations. Always report changes and confirm which areas will be treated before the visit. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice related to pest prevention and home maintenance. We host an active discussion community so our members can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from each other while contractors find work through visibility on the site.